Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I am excited to share another healthy and tasty drink recipe with aloe vera juice. You are watching the super tasty Aloe Passion Mocktail recipe. I will start by filling up the glass with ice. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. I will pour 30 milliliters of lime mix. (30 milliliters of sugar syrup). 15 milliliters of passion fruit syrup. 60 milliliters of orange juice. And 60 milliliters of aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is good for healthy skin and it also reduces heart attack risks. Now I will mix all the ingredients. And slowly pour over the ice. If you like this recipe, please share with family and friends. Now I will garnish this mocktail with fresh orange slice and cherry. Aloe Passion Mocktail is ready. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. Enjoy this healthy drink with family and friends. Please don't forget to subscribe for exciting recipes like this. Till then, be happy and healthy.